Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I am sharing with you all my indoor plants collection. So since nung nag-move kami dito sa bagong bahay, I really got into indoor plants for some reason. I would like to share them all to you and show you one by one, and I hope that you enjoy it. So if you'd like to see my indoor plant collection, please keep on watching. So guys, I don't have a lot, but mind you, I love each and every one of them. So since nandito na naman tayo sa bedroom, I'm just gonna show you what I have here. And yeah, so let's start. So the first one that I'm going to show you is this one here. I think this is the one that they call Fiddle Fig Tree, Fiddle Fig Leaf, something like that, guys. But I bought this one when we moved to our house in West Footscray, and I admit that I haven't been looking after it kasi tingnan nyo naman guys, oh, hindi ko siya naalagaan ng mabuti, kaya nanglagas na lahat yung mga leaf niya, tingnan nyo. But I'm starting to looking after it again, guys, very well, the best that I can, para bumalik na siya, guys. But ito guys, it gives me new hope. Tingnan nyo itong mga bagong dahon niya. But as you can see, wala na naiwan dito. But yeah, when this was brand new, this was very luscious and yeah, very nice. Anyways, as mentioned, inaalagaan ko na siya para bumalik yung dati niyang ganda. So that is the first one. So this is the second one in our bedroom. So just a tiny little beautiful plant. As you can see, it's very green. I believe ito yung tinatawag nila na devil ivy plant. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. So binili ko to sa Facebook Marketplace for $10 na new. So cute, no? Kasama na to pagbili ko, guys, kasi mukhang mag-move out na yung nagbenta nito, kaya yeah, they sold it for a really low price, and I'm very happy with it. So beautiful. I really love the look there, guys. Oh. Tapos, on this side, pwede ba to, guys, sa indoor plant collection? Pwede to siya, guys, kasi plant, piki lang siya. But that's just a fake one from IKEA. That doesn't include. So, the next one is this peace lily. And actually, guys, we're in the bathroom. Actually, this one is not mine. Sa ano ko to, guys, sa work ko to. Pero nga, diba, kasi we're working from home, tapos walang mag-aalaga nito. That's why I brought them home. But yeah, this is really nice. And since nasa loob siya ng bahay ko, guys, akin siya. And yeah, until ibalik ko siya sa office, sa akin siya, guys. How about ito, guys? Hindi man to siya plant, guys. Ano lang yan siya. Pero totoo to siya. Pero dahon lang yan siya, guys. Hindi yan siya plant. So, dito tayo sa hallway. It's the same ng isa doon sa bathroom. Hindi siya yung anong plant talaga. Leaf lang siya. But, as you can see, it is really beautiful and it's really massive. As you can see. I don't know, I just like the look of that. Alright, let's move on. So now, nandito tayo sa kitchen. Ito yung, ewan ko kung anong pangalan ng plant na. But, again, just very green and so alive. Very nice. So, yung kasunod na ipapakita ko, guys, is this one. This is actually the same with the one na nasa bathroom. Ito. So, magkasama to sila sa office ko to. But, yun nga, habang andito sila sa puder ko, akin sila, guys. Kaya that's why. Ayan. Kasi iniwan ko to sila sa office nung nagsipag-alisa na yung mga workers, nag-working from home na lang lahat. Hindi na nila dinala, guys. Kaya yun, namatay sila. Parang wala na talagang sigla nung pinick up ko to, guys. But, I really love this plant because it's very easy to maintain. Yun bang, you will know na kailangan na niya ng tubig kasi parang malalanta na siya. But, the moment na lagyan mo siya ng tubig, mabubuhay siya ulit. Kaya, yun. So, ang pangalan to niya, guys, Peace Lily. Ayan. So, that's the one. And then, the next one is... Hindi pala to totoo, guys. Grass pala tong piki na to. And then, the next one is this one. It's again, I think it's a devil's ivy. This one, it's the same one as the one in the bedroom. But yan lang siya. Hindi lang siya, maliit lang siya. Yung parang, hindi pa siya nagkatay-katay ba, guys? But, yeah, that's the one. And then, this one here is the picky one again from IKEA. So that doesn't count. So in this side of the house, we have this palm tree. I don't know. Ang tawag niyo dito, guys. But malapit na rin siyang mamatay. Again, guys, hindi to siya akin. Sa office din to siya. Pero, ako talaga ang nagpabili nito sa office, guys. Kasi nung nag-move kami ng office, very, parang patay na patay tingnan yung office namin. Kaya sabi ko sa boss ko na bumili tayo ng plants. Kaya yun yung nangyari. Kaya bumili kami nito. But yeah, again, nung nag-work na ang lahat from home, pinick up ko sila, guys, para maalagaan ko sila. Kasi tingnan nyo, guys, ito, itong side na to, patay na, Pwede na to ihaling, guys. Pwede na magkuan, himuong noog para sa tawag, mangiwag og agkoy ba, sa bye-bye. But yeah, that's the one. And then that one there, again, oh yeah, you can actually consider it as a plant. Kasi meron na siyang, guys, nasa vase siya. Pero, may na siya, guys. Ugat-ugat na siya sa ilalim. Ayan. Oh, I love looking at them. And the next one, guys, is this one. Again, it is the Fiddle Fig Tree, if I am not mistaken. So, ito yung binili ko nung nag-move kami dito, guys. Ayan. It looks very nice. Tingnan, ang lighting kasi hindi masyadong maganda. Hapon na kasi, guys. Hapon ko na naisipang i-film to. Kaya, ayan. Ang dami niyang, guys, no? Ang dami niyang dahon. This is the same as the one in the bedroom, guys. Pero yung isa na hindi ko inalagaan ng mabuti. Ayan. So, yung isa, guys, na parang naupaw na, guys. It was like this when I first got it. But, dahil nga, sa kapabayaan ng kanyang amo, na iba na yung mukha niya, guys. But this one, I love very much. Gusto ko lang ganyan, guys. Lagay lang sa harap ng bintana. And oh my god, it just makes my heart smile pag nakakita ko ng mga plants, guys. So ayan, let's move on. So on this side of the house, meron tayong again Peace Lily. I've had this one for so long, like long time ago. Kahit nung nasa pa kami. Saan ba kami nun? South Melbourne pa kami nakatira nun. But, yes, you can see, very old na siya. But, still, buhay na buhay. Super love looking at them, guys. Have a look. Super. So, tapos na tayo sa lunchroom, guys. As you can see, maraming kalat ni si Parishel, mga toys niya. But, that is the plant there. Yay! Ang ganda, no, guys? I super love that plant. But, let's move to... So, yeah, yung nga sabi ko, guys, before, after, ayan. Anyways, let's move on sa ating beauty room, guys. So, pagkapasok mo, makikita mo itong, ewan ko kung anong pangalan nito, guys, but it's very similar to the Peace Lily. Pero, iba yung niya, guys, yung leaf niya ba? Tignan nyo, but still very green, and namumulaklak din siya, guys, which is very nice. But yeah, again, I've had this one for a while now, and yeah, it's just very nice. Ito yung dala ko before sa office, guys, yung nilagay ko sa desk ko. But since naging bushy na siya, guys, tingnan nyo, hindi ko na makita yung screen ko, guys, kaya pinalitan ko ng medyo maliit yung sa office. Kaya dito, dinala ko na lang siya dito sa bahay para pang decorate dito sa bahay. And then now, down to second to the last one, guys, is this one here. Ayan. So, I think it's very similar sa ano guys, Devil's Ivy. I think, I don't know. They're actually, they look very, very similar. Yung Devil's Ivy lang guys, yung very green talaga yung ano niya, yung, ang tawag nito yung dahon niya. But this one is kind of yellow-green. Baka hindi ko lang talaga, nilagyan ng tubig guys. Kaya naging ganyan. But that one is very nice. Tika muna. Ako ng... ayan. So, very, very nice there. Again guys, they're not very hard to look after. Kasi basta make sure lang na you water them. They're very happy. And then guys, let's move on to the last one and the newest plant na addition sa aking collection. Ding, ding, ding. Yes, this one guys. Hang on, I'm gonna turn the light on para makita nyo yung beauty niya. Yes, that's the one guys. So very nice, right? So this one is what they call Birds of Paradise. And this one is approximately, mga 1.6 meters yata yung height niya guys, and it's still growing. So dinelivered to siya just a couple of days ago. In order ko talaga siya guys para dito sa space na to, because for my when I want to do my tawag dito try on haul vlogs, gusto kong maging siya yung parang backdrop ko ba siya para sa pag nag-try on ako, kasi magandang tingnan. And maybe I'm actually thinking about getting like a higher yung parang pot niya guys, para medyo yung hanggang dito yung niya ba. But for now, I'm very happy with what it is. But later on, I'm definitely upgrading the yung pot niya. But yeah, I bought this one guys for $80. This one. Pero guys, tingnan naman guys, buhay na buhay. So I will do my best to water it whenever it needs it, because guys, I don't want this to die. But yeah, what do you think guys? It looks really nice for me, and it makes me really, really happy. Yun na yun guys, napakita ko na sa inyo yung mga indoor plant collection ko. I hope na nagustuhan nyo, at let me know sa comment section below kung ano yung mas favorite nyo na plant. And again guys, have a look guys. See, yun yung na-mention ko before guys, like binili ko to kasi now that I am trying to do like a try and haul vlog, maganda yung yung background na ito guys pag ako na madamit, nagmodel-model ako na madamit, ganun. But yeah, I can't wait to, for this to grow longer and taller guys. That would be really, really nice. But yeah, again, I don't have a lot guys, but mahal na mahal ko lahat ng mga plants na nandito sa bahay. Like, I'm seriously obsessed. Minsan nga sinasabi sa akin ni Mike na kailan daw ako mag-stop, kasi every time na nakikita niya ako, hawak ko yung phone ko guys, scroll lang ako sa guys, sa tawag ito sa Facebook, yung Facebook Marketplace, kasi I don't know, I'm just so addicted to them. And but very lang guys, I think like everyone can relate, no? Pag nakakita ako ng ganito, that green, something green sa loob ng bahay, like it's very refreshing for the eyes, and parang nakaka-relax siya guys. And that's why I got them. Kasi yung parang fresh air sa loob ng bahay. But yeah, that's about it guys. Again, I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!